Assalamualaikum. How are you? Apa khabar semua? I hope everyone is doing well. So welcome back to science lesson with Madam Sarah. Okay, kita tengok hari ni kita nak belajar topik apa ya? Alright, okay, so for today's lesson, we are going to look at the new topic, Unit 3, page 17. So you can refer to your textbook. Okay, so for today's lesson, in this video, I'll be covering two success criteria. Ada dua success criteria. Okay, now let's read them together. Kita baca sama-sama. Okay, so number one, the first one, identify living things and non-living things. Identify maksudnya mengenal pasti. So you need to identify living things, benda hidup, and non-living things, benda bukan hidup. Okay, so your second success criteria yang kedua, state the characteristics of living thing. State maksudnya sebut semula. Okay, so you need to state, sebut semula characteristic of living thing. Characteristic maksudnya ciri-ciri. Susah dalam bahasa Inggeris tapi bahasa Melayu dia ciri-ciri. Jadi apa ciri-ciri benda hidup? Nanti teacher ajar. Lepas tu, you must be able to state, sebut semula. Alright. So, let's start our lesson. Dah ready? Okay, so before we start, kita akan tengok pada keywords hari ini. So, today we have two words yang you all semua kena faham. There are two words dalam today's lesson yang kita akan repeat banyak kali. Nak tahu apa words tu? Alright, let's take a look. Okay, the first one is living things. Living things. Okay, repeat after me. Sebut, ikut sama-sama dengan teacher. Living things. Maksudnya benda hidup. Benda yang hidup. Apa benda hidup tu? Nanti kita tengok. So, your first keyword is living things. Alright. Keywords yang kedua, your second keywords is non-living things. Non-living things. Okay, non maksudnya macam no lah. Benda bukan hidup. Non-living, benda yang bukan hidup. Living things, benda hidup. Non-living things, benda bukan hidup. Okay, kita ulang. Okay, sebut sama-sama dengan teacher, alright? Okay, ready? Living things, benda hidup. Non-living things, benda bukan hidup. So, today we are going to look at the living things and non-living things. Dua benda, living things and non-living things. Alright. Okay, so let's take a look at the picture. Okay, kat dalam gambar ni, you have two robot. Tahu robots? Okay, so what is the difference between the robots and you? Apakah perbezaan antara robot tu dengan awak? Okay, cuba tengok. Apa beza robot? Pernah tengok robot? Robot dia boleh bergerak kalau dia ada bateri. Jadi, kita boleh bergerak tak? Boleh juga. Tapi, apa bezanya robot dengan manusia? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Okay, cuba sebut. Apa bezanya? Okay, robot boleh bergerak. Betul. Lagi? Robot perlu makan ke tidak? Macam kita perlu makan ke tidak? Ada beza kan? Okay, so the difference between robot dengan awak is robot doesn't need to eat. Dia tak perlu makan. Dia nak bergerak, nak apa semua, dia hanya using battery. Dia tak perlu food. It doesn't need food and it doesn't need to drink. Dia tak perlu minum air. Okay, tapi manusia, humans, you need to eat, you need to drink. Memang persamaan dia, dua-dua boleh bergerak. Awak boleh gerak, robot pun boleh gerak. Tapi robot tak perlu makan. So, ada beza. Okay, jadi sekarang kita nak tengok adakah robot tu living things? Adakah robot ni benda hidup? Alright, let's take a look at my next slide. Okay, so this is from the textbook. Now, let's take a look at the picture. We're gonna read the words together. Kita nak baca perkataan dalam petak-petak kuning tu sama-sama. Okay? So, repeat after me ya. Ikut teacher cakap. Alright, adjust dulu. Okay. So the first one nampak sini. Bird. 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 Burung. Okay. Second one. Tree. 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 Pokok. Hut. 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 Hut tu macam pondok lah. Okay. Next one. Lotus. 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 Okay, lotus ni bunga teratai. Okay. Next one, look at here. Duck. 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 Do you know what is duck? Okay, betul. Pandai. Duck tu itik. Alright, next. At the bottom here, you have frog. 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 Frog is katak. Then you have rock. 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 What is rock? Rock is stone. Batu lah. Alright, then you have flowers. Flowers. Flower. Everyone know what is flower? Alright, good. Okay, let's take a look at next page. Page 19. Aeroplane. 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 Kapal terbang. Then we have toy. Okay, ini bukan toy. Ini this is mommy and daddy and you have a girl here. Toy ni refer kepada teddy bear yang dia pegang tu. So, toy. Next one you have car. 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 Humans. 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 Humans manusia. Cat. 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 Kucing. Bench. Bench. Bench kerusi yang duduk dekat taman tu. And then lastly you have waste bin. Waste bin. Tong sampah. Dustbin. Waste bin. It's the same thing. Garbage can. Kadang-kadang kita panggil garbage can. Okay. So, which one? Sekarang ni, look at the picture. Which are living thing and which are non-living thing? Cuba fikir. Yang mana benda hidup? Yang mana benda bukan hidup? Alright. So, pause this video and fikirkan. Discuss with your parent. Yang mana living thing? Yang mana non-living thing? Lepas ni kita akan tengok jawapannya. Okay. So now kita tengok page yang pertama. Let's do this together with me. Let's circle the living thing. Okay. Janganlah bulatkan betul-betul kat dalam buku tu. Awak tanda je guna pensel sikit. Jangan tekan sangat, tanda sikit je. Okay. So you have bird, tree, lotus, duck, frog, rock, flower and hut. Which one are the living things? Yang mana satu benda hidup? Okay, cuba fikir. Kita tengok jawapan dia. Yang manakah benda hidup? Okay, bird. So you circle bird. Bird adalah benda hidup. Burung tu hidup. Betul tak bird tu hidup? Okay. Lagi? Apa lagi yang hidup? Okay. Okay, duck and frog are also living things. So, kita tahu dekat sini, haiwan, animals tu adalah benda hidup. Animals are living things. Okay, how about tree? Pokok. Pokok tu hidup ke tak hidup? Okay, tengok jawapan dia dulu. Okay, flowers. Bunga. And also lotus. Lotus is also part of flowers juga. Are also living things. So, flowers and lotus are also living thing. What else? Yes, tree, pokok. Okay, so trees are also living thing. Kenapa pokok tu living thing? Sebab sebenarnya kalau awak tengok pokok tu, dia boleh membesar. Membesar is a characteristic, salah satu ciri-ciri benda hidup. Kalau benda tu dia membesar, dia boleh grow daripada kecil jadi besar. Meaning dia adalah benda yang hidup. Okay. Now it's your turn to circle the living thing. Okay, untuk muka surat yang seterusnya. Aeroplane, toy, car, human, cat, waste bin and bench. It's your turn to circle the living thing. Bulatkan benda hidup guna pensel. Sikit je, tanda bulat sikit je. Jangan conteng banyak-banyak kat buku teks tu. Okay. So So pause this video and go ahead and circle the living things. Okay, so are you done? Dah siap? Okay. Let's check your answer. Kita tengok jawapan awak. Sama tak dengan jawapan teacher? Okay. Yay! Okay, you did a good job. Okay, siapa yang jawapan dia sama dengan teacher? You did a good job. Okay, so humans, awak, manusia, mak ayah tu semua adalah living things. Okay, and also cat. Cat here is also living thing. Haiwan dia hidup. Okay, question teacher. Butterfly. Ada nampak butterfly here? And also ladybug here, down here. Okay. Benda hidup ke? Bukan. Okay, are butterfly living things or not? Living things ke bukan? Cuba fikir. Okay. So humans, manusia, cat and tree are examples of living thing. Kereta, car, aeroplane, toy is examples of non-living thing. Walaupun aeroplane dengan car tu bergerak, tapi dia bukan benda hidup. Kenapa dia bukan benda hidup, teacher? Okay, sebab lepas ni kita akan refer kepada karakteristik of living thing. Living thing dia mesti memenuhi ciri-ciri. Kalau dia tak ada ciri-ciri tu, dia bukan hidup walaupun dia bergerak. Okay. Okay, so now kita nak classify. We want to classify all the things yang dalam dua muka surat tadi tu. We want to classify them into two groups. Okay, so we can understand better supaya kita boleh nampak lebih jelas. Okay, so you have here group number 1 is living things and group number 2 is non-living things. Okay, let's look at what are the living things and what are the non-living things. Okay, so living things, you have tree, bird, lotus, duck, frog, flowers. What else? Okay, you also have cat and humans. Okay, jelas? Okay, how about non-living thing? Non-living thing apa? Selain daripada benda hidup tadi tu, itu semua masuk dalam non-living things. Okay, so non-living things you have heart, aeroplane, rock. Apa lagi? Okay, you also have car, toy, waste bin, and bench. That are the example. These are all non-living thing and these are all living thing. Yang sebelah kiri itu semua benda hidup, sebelah kanan tu semua non-living things. Okay, biasakan sebut living things and non-living things sebab kita mesti tahu istilah dalam sains. Alright, so kita dah cover part yang pertama, identify living things and non-living things. Okay, so now we're going to look at our second success criteria, which is state the characteristic of living thing. Kita nak sebut apakah ciri-ciri living things. Characteristic. Okay, cuba sebut sama-sama teacher. Characteristic of living things ataupun ciri-ciri living things. Okay, dah ready? Okay. So living things, all living things must have this characteristic. Semua living things mesti ada ciri-ciri ni. There are 5 characteristic, ada 5. Okay, kita tengok yang paling mudah. The first one, breathe. Breathe ataupun bernafas. So all living thing must breathe. Awak bernafas tak? Bernafas? Okay, kucing kat rumah bernafas. Okay, pokok pun bernafas juga. Okay, so jadi humans, animals and plant, tumbuhan, all are living thing. Nampak ni. Tengok budak lelaki ni, dia bernafas. Okay, you look at the cat. Comel kucing ni. Pun bernafas. Plant pun bernafas. Okay, karakteristik yang kedua. Ciri-ciri yang kedua. Need water and food. So, all living thing they need water and food to live, untuk hidup. Awak perlu makan dan minum. Sama juga dengan haiwan, animals, they also need water and food. And also same with your plant, tumbuhan pokok mak kat rumah tu, kalau tak siram dengan air, apa jadi? Apa jadi tu pokok kalau tak siram dengan air? Siapa tahu? Okey, betul. Pokok kalau tak siram, dia akan layu dan mati. Jadi, itu buktinya yang pokok ni is a living thing. Dia perlukan air. Okey, karakteristik yang ketiga, the third one, number 3, move. All living things can move. Boleh bergerak. Okay, human can move, animal can move, boleh bergerak. Pokok macam mana teacher? Saya tak pernah pula nampak pokok tu berjalan-jalan. Betul, pokok memang tak boleh berjalan. Tapi pernah tak awak jumpa pokok semalu? Daun semalu. Bila kita sentuh daun tu daripada terbuka, kita sentuh dia akan tertutup. Dia terbuka, bila sentuh dia tertutup. Okay, jadi itu kita anggap sebagai tumbuhan pun boleh move, boleh bergerak. Alright. Karakteristik number 4. Okay. Number 4. All living thing can grow. Can grow. Yang ini, grow. Grow means membesar. Okay, let's look at the picture. Baby, siapa sini ada adik baby? Kita semua pun berasal daripada baby. Mula-mula kita baby. And then you will grow into child. Akan jadi kanak-kanak. And then you will grow into an adult. Adult is dewasa. Macam teacher, macam mama, macam ayah kat rumah tu. Okay, itu adult. Okay, let's look at the chicken. Okay, chicken come from eggs. Mula daripada egg. And then they hatch. Telur tu menetas, hatch. Dia akan jadi chick. Chick is anak ayam, baby chicken. Lepas tu nanti dia grow, dia jadi chicken. Dia jadi ayam dewasa. Okay, tumbuhan pun sama. It will start from seed, daripada biji benih. Dia akan jadi seedling. Lepas tu dia jadi pokok kecil. And then dia akan makin besar, keluar bunga, keluar buah semua. Okay, so itu buktinya living thing akan boleh membesar. Grow tu maksudnya membesar. Alright, and number 5. Okay, yang kelima, reproduce. Okay, sebut dengan teacher. Reproduce. Okay, so all living things have the ability to reproduce. Reproduce tu maksudnya membiak ataupun menghasilkan zuriat, ataupun senang kata having babies. Boleh boleh ada baby. Okay, contoh rabbit. Rabbit dia akan membiak. Dia akan reproduce, dia akan menghasilkan baby rabbit. Ni mak ayah awak pun membiak, menghasilkan bayi. Gambar kat tepi ni pokok pisang. Okay, kalau lalu-lalu kat tepi kampung Tanjung Tuang tu, nampak pokok pisang. Dekat sebelah pokok pisang yang besar tu, mesti ada baby pokok pisang yang kecil. Okay, itu maksudnya pokok pisang tu tadi, dia dah reproduce. Dia dah membiak, dia akan ada anak dia kat tepi tu. Okay, so boleh kita repeat sama-sama. Characteristic of living thing, there are 5 characteristic. Number 1, all living thing can breathe. Boleh bernafas. Number 2, all living thing need water and food. Perlu air dan makanan. Number 3, all living thing can move. Boleh bergerak. Number 4, all living thing can grow. Boleh membesar. And number 5, all living thing can reproduce. Boleh membiak. Alright, very good. Okay, so ini dia punya summary dia lah, senang. Okay, so living things. Alright. Alih dulu ikon teacher. Alright, so living thing need food and water. Number 2, living thing can breathe. Mesti boleh bernafas. Okay. Number 3, living things can move. Okay, nampak orang tu bergerak, fox boleh bergerak, frog can move. Alright. Number 4, all living thing can grow. Okay, nampak pokok tu from the seedling, dia akan jadi pokok yang matured, yang dah matang. Okay, sama dengan human, from baby you will become toddler, you become children. From baby you become toddler, then you become a kid, you become teenager, jadi remaja, lepas tu dewasa, and then you become old, jadi tua. Alright, and lastly, all living thing can reproduce, boleh membiak, menghasilkan anak, boleh ada baby. Anak pokok, anak kucing, anak manusia. Okay, so these are all the characteristic of living thing. Need food and water, can breathe, can move, can grow, and can reproduce. Okay, nanti dengan mak sama-sama ulang 5 karakteristik ni sampai ingat. Boleh? Okay. So, your task for this week is to do activity book, page 13 and 14. Muka surat 13 dan 14 buku aktiviti. Okay, dalam muka surat 13, let's identify, tick the correct answer. So, you look at the picture, tengok gambar, then you tick. For example, number 1, gambar pokok, tree. So, tree, is it a living thing ataupun non-living thing? You tick the answer. Living things ataupun non-living things. Which one? Tick jawapan dia. Okay, and page 14, muka surat 14, characteristic of living thing. Tadi we have learned 5 characteristic of living thing. Jadi, kita tulis based on the picture. Berdasarkan gambar ni. Apa karakteristik dia? Okay, boleh? So, selamat mencuba dan selamat Hari Raya. Kita jumpa lagi selepas raya dalam kelas PDPR kita. Okay. Assalamualaikum. Bye.